Right, so just a simple polycarbonate conservatory roof, just applying a degreaser here. This is from Screwfix, it's about 12 quid. Wet out the conservatory roof first, apply this, let it dwell, it will do the job. And here we go, we're just agitating the roof now, just cleaning up those panels. I'm using a flocked gardener brush here. It's nice, doesn't scratch the plastic, gets into all the nooks and crannies. I'm trying to do this one-handed here, so obviously if you're using two hands it's a little bit easier, but obviously I'm filming it at the same time. As you can see, the chemical's done its job, all that dirt's coming off nice and easy, no dramas at all. It makes life a lot easier than if you try and scrub this without using a chemical in anything. There is other chemicals you can get, you can use Virasol, there's one from Pure Seal, but this degreaser from Screwfix does the job and it's readily available, nice and easy for everyone to get hold of. And as you can see, there's finished results. One happy customer. Job done.